Hey guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I have a fun Easter Dollar Tree DIY. We're going to take one of their tins, it's actually an Easter tin, so that works out perfectly, and then some of their flocked Easter eggs they have this year for $1.25. I take one of their little foam discs shaped like a circle, perfect size for those little buckets, and I want to make an egg topiary. This turned out so cute. I really love the flocked items they have at the Dollar Tree this year. So I chose a pink one, a yellow one, and a blue one. I think they also have it in green. And then I'm just going to use one of these little dowels from the Dollar Tree. It's kind of a skinnier one. And a little hot glue to secure it. It's just long enough so I don't want to go too far into the pink one. And then just using a small screwdriver, I'm just popping a hole in the next egg. I'm kind of having them all go like the eggs all go tip up. And since there's foam inside, it's really easy to get the dowel to go all the way through. So I'm going to do the same thing here, poking a hole in our final egg and just sliding it through. Could not be any easier. The foam definitely helps, and it also makes it not too heavy. I poked a hole in the foam in the bucket and put a little hot glue in there to secure it, putting the little dowel down inside. Now to kind of decorate between the different eggs and to cover up that green foam on the top, I'm going to use some of the green floral moss from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just attaching it with a little bit of hot glue because there's not like a lot of room there. Those little foam discs fit in those little tin buckets just right. I'm also going to do the same thing in between each one of the little flocked Easter eggs, just gluing a little piece here and there all the way around to kind of fill that in. I want to add like some florals, maybe a little bit of greenery, and kind of give it that topiary look. This is a nice size Dollar Tree DIY. These are the flowers that I'm going to use. I thought these looked really springy. They're like white with like a yellow center, and I am just pulling them off and hot gluing the little plastic stem down into the moss. And I'm going to do 3 on each one, just kind of scattering those out about a third of the way around. Nothing too crazy. And then you're going to want to clean up your moss a little bit, make it not look so crazy. I was trying to decide if I wanted flowers in the bucket as well, and I decided to. Can't go wrong with more flowers for spring. And I just hot glue 3 of those there in the front down into the moss as well. So this is what it looks like so far. I was thinking I want some greenery though. I didn't like the greenery that came on the yellow flower, so I'm actually going to borrow some greenery from some of the pink roses from the Dollar Tree. It's like a brighter green, so I just cut the leaves off and I'm just gonna hot glue those in the moss kind of between the flowers. So a total of 3 working my way around. Now for the top eggs, I'm gonna do the same thing. But for a little bit of variety, I am just going to reverse the direction, have the leaves all pointing to the right on this one, and just hot gluing those all in place. This was such an easy DIY to make, super cute. I love like the egg topiary effect, and those flocked Easter eggs look so high end. This is how it turned out. If you'd like more Easter or just Dollar Tree DIYs, you should check out my YouTube channel over at Crafty Beach. Until then, happy crafting.